granola bar.
He's already covered. He's rolled around in it a couple times already. Get Mom.
Hey, mister.
Yeah, watch out for those ones.
Oh, no.
There's certain ones out here that
Why
are
a
like
big
rolled
one?
up. And they hurt. Just to let you know. You see them pick up ones that all like stuck together? Those are the ones that are gonna hurt.
Jerk, get away from me.
Nope, you gotta come over here and get some snow, bub.
Uh-oh.
These were animals.
Show the pink sky over there. Bub, are you gonna throw snow at Mom again? Uh-oh, you missed. Oh, you got it that time.
Whoa. I'm fishing.
You lost your stick. Oh, buddy. You found your stick. You're gonna make a tree? You're gonna make a snowball tree? It's gonna grow snowballs.
Why haven't you taught him how to make a snowman yet?
Because the snow doesn't stick together as well as you think it does.
Wanna bet?
Yep. Most of the stuff on Puff is fluff.